Yes, this is good.
Good.
This is 10 by 8 inches sizes. So, okay.
Very beautiful paintings made by Akshay.
Hey,
What do you have to say?
thank you.
Thank you. It's
You.
really nice, very nice.
Nice.
Very good paintings.
Sitting.
Thank you.
You.
So this is fifth number. And what about this?
Yes, this is also okay.
Okay.
This is
So
around
1, 2
near A4
and
size. So, this is
4.
okay.
इसमें गड़बड़ी है, ठीक है. 1, 2, 4. होगा. ठीक है. तो ओवर टू रेवा जी. तो अगर अलंकृता आपके पास भी कुछ है रिकॉर्ड इस तरह का, तो आप अपना शेयर कर सकते हो पेंटिंग्स.
यस सर, मेरे पास है, मेरी उसमें ड्रॉयर में है, मैं कर दूंगी सर.
हाँ, तो अच्छी है ना, जैसे अच्छा की उससे के मुकाबले हैं.
सॉरी सर.
अक्षय की जितनी अच्छी है वैसे ही आपकी भी है.
जी सर, मैं दे दूं, अभी दे रही हूँ आपको.
वेरी गुड. मेरा फोटो क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? चलिए ठीक है, ओवर टू रेवा जी.
So, hi everyone and good morning. I see our interns have joined today, looking fresh and good. And अभी सबने पेंटिंग्स देखी. अक्षय की इज वेरी टैलेंटेड. पेंटिंग्स में अलंकृता भी करती हैं. एंड दीज आर अवर इंटर्न्स. इन लोगों ने हमारा डिजिटल एम्प्लॉयमेंट का कोर्स कंप्लीट किया है रिसेंटली एंड दे आर ऑलरेडी वर्किंग. दे आर मेकिंग अ डिफरेंस. The concept here is at approach is that, as you can see behind Anurag ji, that we have taken on a mission. It is a big huge ask and a task to have employment for 1 lakh persons with disabilities to get employed by 30th of April, right? By 2029. So it is a huge ask, and we cannot do it without the help and support of parents with special children. अगर आप किसी को जानते हैं who's an adult and who can understand, who has a basic comprehension about computers, they are potential candidates to make a difference in their lives, earn a living for themselves. हमारे ये जो स्टूडेंट्स आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे ऑन स्क्रीन, यहाँ पे जो है ये हमारे साथ कंप्लीट करके they are already earning. They are getting an honorarium every month. And what the bigger part is also the fact that, see, we have two kinds of people, right? We have two kinds of special people. ये बच्चे जो हैं, जो आप देख रहे हैं, interns जो हैं, they are able to comprehend. Their comprehension is better in terms of computer awareness and following instructions to that point. So they are going to work on the digital platform to sell what their peers are making. So we have students who are not computer savvy, but they are creating beautiful things, articles, like jewelry, like diaries. So what is happening is, while they cannot sell it on social media, these students here, our interns who have completed our course, can do that for them. They're learning softwares or like Photoshop or Canva. Because today, in today's world, you see everything is about social media. आप कहाँ से देखते हैं किसी भी प्रोडक्ट के बारे में? advertising has been a major part, but advertising today has taken a different format. क्योंकि आजकल वो केवल मूवीज में गए तो एक एड देख लिया या टीवी पे एक एड देख लिया, वो टाइम गया है. अभी एड्स आर एवरीवेयर. यू ओपन योर फोन, आप फोन उठाएंगे आपको रील्स में भी दिखेगा, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स दिखेंगे. सो हियर आर आवर इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हु आर गोइंग टू market the products that their peers are making. So what we are trying to create here is a synergy. ये जो दोनों की एनर्जीज हैं, एक वो सेक्शन है हमारे स्टूडेंट्स का जो बोल नहीं सकते हैं बट वो इतना प्यारा काम कर रहे हैं. वो ज्वेलरी बना रहे हैं, टोट बैग्स बना रहे हैं, वो डायरीज क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, पेंटिंग्स बना रहे हैं. There's so many things that are in the pipeline. नए नए प्रोडक्ट्स हम इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं. तो ये वो बच्चे हैं या वो एडल्ट्स हैं जो कि सीख रहे हैं और बना रहे हैं. और यहाँ पे ये जो सेट ऑफ इंटर्न्स हैं, दे आर गोइंग टू enhance those images, do some photography, create some images, then market them in a way that people can see them and tell how these products can be used in their daily lives. So what we are creating is a team. It's a team effort of both our students, both section of our students. And that is what is going to bring about our target of employing 1 lakh persons. So parents who have given up on the dream that their children cannot do anything or they are not capable, you have another thought. There's another route here, which is full of, self-respect, dignity. Idea is to give a dignified life to our students here. All our students who join Approach Autism. And good part here is that we are living in, we have the opportunity of working and learning from the comfort of our homes. We do not have to go out, right? So we have these students you see here. One is from different cities, Chandigarh, Delhi, Mumbai. So they are learning sitting from their respective cities and they are making a difference, right? So this is how this kind of a system is what we are looking to work on. So more and more parents, I mean whoever is here, you need to spread the word that हमारे पास एक ऐसा कोर्स है जो कि equip कर रहा है हमारे students को to earn a living, to earn a respectful living, have a dignified life, because they are making a difference. So do not give up on these children because they are capable. Obviously, as parents हम पूरी कोशिश करते हैं, जितना हो सकता है हम कोशिश करते हैं एक अच्छी लाइफ देने का. And I'm talking not about special people. I'm talking about as a parent we try to do it for our children, irrespective of what. So this level of acceptance, this level of giving is required for our special people. Is all I want to say. So do not think there is nothing. The road ahead is closed just because these are living examples here. What you see are interns. They are making a difference. They are helping their peers, in a wonderful way. And I keep telling them, these are beautiful people. Look at their smiles. Alankrita, can I have your, sit up a bit and I can see. Look at that smiling face. Akshay. Both are Akshay. They both are Akshay Mathurs. And we identify them with Akshay with a E and Akshay, right? So they're all learning and they're learning together. They help each other also. So it's such a beautiful relationship. They say hi, they pull each other's legs also sometimes. Today Rahul I don't see yet, but Rahul will call Alankrita something and they have a leg pulling. So it is such a beautiful environment that they are having. So why don't you give this to your child? Give them the opportunity. And it's an easy way of learning. The learning pace is really comfortable. I'm sure we'll talk to students here and their parents who are attending to find out how they have felt during the course, how they liked the course, and how the learning procedure was for them. Because हमारे जो staff है, जो teachers हैं, they are fully equipped. They are very patient because we require a lot of patience. Teaching a neurotypical person is maybe easier. It's an easier path to tread. This may be a more challenging route, but then it's worth it. At the end of the day, जब आप देखते हैं ना कि हमारे ये जो students हैं, ये क्या बना रहे हैं और ये क्या कर रहे हैं, it is so satisfying. it's too overwhelming emotionally for all of us here who are, I mean, we are trying to do, because we are at a very nascent stage. We are only starting, but we are on the route. We are on the right path, is what we feel. We are confident when we look at these wonderful students doing so well. We know that we are making a difference, however little it may be. So आप लोगों को join करना है as parents, as people who are watching this. You may not have a special person, but maybe you can spread the word that there is Approach Autism, where these kind of courses are running, right? Those who are present, I mean, those who are in Jaipur, we are based out of Jaipur. So here's another student, Ganika, joining us. So those who are, our students, and those of you who are in Jaipur can join physically. Those who are non-verbal can join physically and learn jewelry making, painting. For painting, our students are making the colors in-house. So they are herbal, they are, organic. So we are also, teaching the concept of environment friendliness, right? There's so much of talk of saving the earth, saving the planet, but we are also making a difference. Our students are. तो बहुत जरूरी है कि आप लोग सब जुड़े, क्योंकि ये जो टारगेट है ना, ये इतना आसान नहीं है अचीव करने का। चाहे लगे अभी तो 2025 है, 2029 तक तो बहुत टाइम है, लेकिन टाइम बहुत भाग रहा है। तो आप लोगों का सपोर्ट तो चाहिए ही चाहिए, as citizens of India, as people, as parents, as responsible people who would want to make a difference in the lives of our special people. So please, I'm a little emotional right now, but we would love to have your support. We would have you love to reach us and tell us how you can make a difference, because we would need that support to make this difference. Anurag ji, please carry on.
Yes, so our journey has just started, and we are able to employ 6 of our students now, 5 with us and 1 outside the system. And very soon we are going to start some work through Ragima, and Ragima's e-commerce platform Artistries is going to revamp. Shape is going to revamp. थोड़ा सा चेंज होगा शेप को। मैं जरा कुछ दिखा देता हूँ। फिलहाल ये है आर्टिस्ट्रीज का। दिख रहा है क्या? मेरे ख्याल से दिख रहा होगा।
हाँ, it is loading, Anurag ji. And Artistries is basically a e-commerce site जहाँ पे, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, we have 2 segment of students. A segment which is doing who is doing this digital employment, and the other segment who's creating these products. So these products are being sold on our website called Artistries. And as the name suggests, it is autistic people. So it is Artistries. And these are the diaries that are being made by our students, and these are personalized diaries. These are the kind of jewelry. Now with this, festive season right next to the around the bend, you have Rakhi coming up. You will have eventually all the festivals coming up. These are beautiful gifts that you can, gift to your loved ones. And when you do that, you are gifting a smile to our students. You are making their efforts count, right? And this is just Anurag ji, can you just scroll down to this is just the banner. So this is the Artistries. We have lot many products. When Diwali comes, we have Diwali hampers, we have got Rakhi hampers, and so much more. And these you can buy directly. This is the website. You can pay directly, and the proceeds of this, the earnings go to our students as well as to the other vendors. And we are working on a bigger and better website where we'll have products from not just Approach, students of Approach. We'll be having products from all possible NGOs who would like to participate with us to showcase their products on our website, which is being developed. So that is happening. Look at the beautiful jewelry here. These are the tote bags, and all of these are environment friendly. Everything being done by our students. We also are selling, compost bags, which we have for those of you who are having the green thumb, who like gardening. Our students are packaging this compost and giving it to selling it. Right, these are some of our artist profiles. Look at Charvi Rastogi. She's our student who's creating jewelry, making tote bags. Here is our artist Vishu Gelawat. He is making beautiful jewelries that you see. So a lot of our students are working very hard and bringing it to you. This is one end of the spectrum. On the other end, our digital media students are bringing this. They're updating these websites with pictures. This is Vatsalya Alankrita, who's with us right now on the. She's a digital student, digital employment student with us, right? There's Arihant and there's Saksham. So these are students who are working, behind the scenes, producing these products. Pradyuman and Aditya, these are students who are making these products. They're sitting in the center at Jaipur and making these products for you, bringing them day in and day out. Sunny, Vatsal. So all our beautiful artists, Kriti Bhandari. These are some of the artists, and of course, as the numbers grow, we'll have more of students joining in, both at the center and on the digital platform, of course.
Right. So, how to go ahead? So now we are going to revamp it in terms of this website is going to support vocational units independently, as well as the units which are the artists who are there, individual artists like Akshay Mathur from Chandigarh is there. So there will be two types of activity this website will have. There is a membership page which has already opened in this website. There are some Razorpay payment gateway has to be embedded with that. Right now, I believe it will be done by today, end of the day. So anyone who is having vocational unit can also become a 1-year membership. He can place his product and then he can place his product and get export opportunity also. And through digital marketing, we shall promote the artists and we shall promote the our vocational units. So that way, when anyone enters, he finds sufficiently motivated to buy any product which is there in our website. This product is sold, the money is distributed in such a way that out of 100 rupees, if MRP is 100 rupees, 50 rupees, 40 rupees goes to vocational unit, 10 rupees to the aggregator. Aggregator means जो डिजिटल एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोग्राम के तहत ले चुके हैं, ट्रेनिंग सर्टिफाई हो चुके हैं, वो इसमें उनको मैं ये अपॉर्चुनिटी देता हूं कि फोटोशॉप, जैसे अभी हमने दिखाया था कैसे अक्षय माथुर की फोटो को हम लोगों ने चेंज किया, मतलब उसको एज ए बैकग्राउंड में बना के रखा, वो भी उनको भी हम थोड़ा सा फाइन ट्यूनिंग करा करके अगर वो करते हैं तो पर प्रोडक्ट सेल पे 10% यानी 10 रुपए उनको मिलेगा। अगर 100 रुपए की एमआरपी है तो यानी कि 40 रुपए मिलेगा वोकेशनल यूनिट को, 10 रुपए एग्रीगेटर को। Remaining 50 rupees is logistic and digital marketing and infrastructure, IT infrastructure cost. So that way, this is going to be multi-seller marketplace like Amazon या Flipkart, जिसमें कोई भी अपने बैकएंड से प्रोडक्ट को चढ़ा सकता है। मगर यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक लिमिटेशन है, हम सिर्फ उनको अपॉर्चुनिटी देंगे जो वोकेशनल यूनिट चला रहे हैं या फिर वो जो कि पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटीज है। मैं एक छोटा सा वीडियो भी प्ले करना चाहूंगा।
Welcome to Artistries, a unique
एक
e-commerce
मिनट जैसे पहले मैं स्टॉप शेयर कर दूं स्क्रीन, उसको ऑफ कर दूं। शेयर स्क्रीन साउंड
Yeah, it's loading.
Welcome to Artistries, a unique e-commerce platform dedicated to empowering vocational units of persons with disabilities. Did you know that many vocational units face challenges in reaching customers? Limited resources and accessibility barriers often prevent these talented individuals from showcasing their amazing products. Introducing Artistries, a platform designed to bridge this gap. We provide a seamless and accessible online marketplace where creativity meets opportunity. Here's what makes Artistries stand out. First, easy to use interface. Simplified browsing and purchasing experience. Second, support and inclusivity. Focused on promoting products made by persons with disabilities. Third, global reach. Connects vocational units to customers worldwide. Join us in this journey towards inclusivity and support. Let's transform lives by shopping with purpose. Visit Artistries today. Artistries, empowering creativity, one purchase at a time.
हाँ, तो आप लोग को दिखाने में किसी को अगर वीडियो दें तो समझाना आसान हो जाता है, राइट? मेरा वीडियो नहीं आ रहा है क्या?
हाँ,
अब
आ
आ
गया आ गया।
तो किसी को भी क्या है, समझाना आसान हो जाता है। जितने भी आपके संपर्क में वोकेशनल यूनिट्स हैं उनको आप इनवाइट कर सकते हैं। उसका एक मेंबरशिप फॉर्म होगा, उसमें भरेंगे। अभी 30 जून तक ये मेंबरशिप फ्री है, अदरवाइज बहुत ज़्यादा महंगी नहीं है। 1990 का पर ईयर का इसका मेंबरशिप फीस है, जिसमें 10 प्रोडक्ट को डाल सकते हैं। और जो 50 प्रोडक्ट्स एंड एक्सपोर्ट फैसिलिटी के साथ, यानी ग्लोबल रीच के साथ 4990 है एनुअल। उसको अब अभी हम प्रमोट नहीं कर रहे हैं, अभी बेसिक चीज प्रमोट कर रहे हैं 1990 सिल्वर मेंबरशिप। फॉर पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटीज जो आर्टिस्ट हैं, जैसे अक्षय ने अपनी वीडियो लगा फोटो लगाई, उसका 99 रुपीज पर ईयर है और 10 प्रोडक्ट तक। और साल का अगर 50 प्रोडक्ट को डालना है तो 399 रुपीज पर ईयर है मेंबरशिप। और अभी वो भी 30 जून तक फ्री है। 30 जून के बाद अगर कोई इनरोल होता है तो उसका चार्ज होगा। तो मेंबरशिप फॉर्म अक्षय माथुर को मैं दे दूंगा, वो अपना भर सकता है। अलंकृता, आप भी अपना भर लेना फॉर्म, है ना? उसमें कुछ अपलोड करने का जगह होगी जहाँ पे आपको सर्टिफिकेट अपलोड करना पड़ेगा, डिसेबिलिटी सर्टिफिकेट या जो भी असेसमेंट रिपोर्ट है, जिससे ये समझ में आए कि डिसेबिलिटी स्टेब्लिश हो चुकी है। दूसरा, अगर वोकेशनल यूनिट है तो उनको अपना वोकेशनल यूनिट के डॉक्यूमेंट्स अपलोड करने होंगे, जिससे पता चले कि वो डिसेबिलिटी सेक्टर में काम कर रहे हैं। कुछ फोटोज अपलोड करनी होंगी। तो फॉर्म बन के आज एंड तक आ जाएगा, इसके बाद कर सकते हैं। तो दैट्स ऑल फॉर माय साइड, फ्रॉम माय साइड। गनिका, आपको कुछ बोलना है? गनिका, चेहरा आगे करके बोलो, आगे करके बोलो और स्माइल करते। वेरी गुड।
I feel
हाँ
proud. I
हाँ
feel proud.
हाँ
I earning. I am earning. I am earning.
रजिता जी, आप एक बंद करिए, एक बंद करिए, कोई माइक बंद करिए, सॉरी स्पीकर बंद करिए।
I am earning. I am earning. I am earning. I am earning digital through digital employment. Employment. I'm approach autism. Anurag sir. Anurag sir. Approach autism society. Thanks to Anurag sir and approach team.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you.
And Anurag ji, have we spoken to the parents?
हाँ
Have we spoken to the parents? We need a feedback from the parents.
हाँ तो अब
तनुजा जी हैं,
अलंकृता
I
आपके
think.
मम्मी नहीं आई?
हाँ हाँ
अलंकृता की मम्मी नहीं आई?
Tanuja ji is there, I think.
हाँ हाँ केवल तनुजा जी हैं और उधर रजत।
So can we speak to Tanuja ji for a minute?
तनुजा जी आप अपने फोकस में कर लें, एक मिनट होल्ड करिए जरा सा, मैं बाकी लोगों को स्पॉटलाइट से हटा देता हूँ।
Oh. Hmm.
हम्म
हाँ तनुजा जी, आपका एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करिएगा जरा। अक्षय, हाँ अक्षय भी हैं साथ में। अक्षय इज आवर ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट और उनकी अभी पेंटिंग्स हमने देखी थी थोड़ी देर पहले।
मत करो।
वेट
हाँ okay. तो तनुजा जी पहले आप ये बताइए कि कैसा लग रहा है अक्षय को ज्वाइन करने के बाद? हाउ डू यू फील? कैसा
yes
एंजॉय करता
he
है
has
वो?
learned
Yes.
lot of new things in graphic designing
Okay.
on Canva, on InShot, like video editing was a new thing for him. And
Right.
Canva is definitely very helpful in whenever we have some somebody's birthday or some celebration, wedding anniversary, so then he can make cards to send within the family in the WhatsApp groups also. So that is pretty encouraging. And then Photoshop also, Photo P, what they have done. So
Yeah.
this is definitely encouraging for them. And I really appreciate your initiative also to bring employment for them, for to teach them first and then to make them able to learn to earn also. So that's really great.
Awesome. So अक्षय को ये कोर्स करने के बाद आपको लगता है कि अक्षय और क्रिएटिव हुए हैं क्या? क्योंकि अभी वो
Yes.
आई एम श्योर, क्योंकि वो पेंटिंग्स तो बनाते ही हैं, बट नाउ ही हैज अनदर मीडियम, डिजिटल मीडियम, जिसमें वो अपना आर्ट
Yes.
क्रिएटिविटी शोकेस कर सकता है।
Yes.
तो दिस इज वेरी गुड। एंड अक्षय अर्निंग, आपने सोचा था कभी एट एनी पॉइंट कि अक्षय कंप्यूटर पे बैठ के सीखेंगे और इस तरह अर्न कर पाएंगे?
Yes, I mean that is encouraging. Though he was doing a little bit of work, but this is always
अच्छा
an
है,
encouragement what you are doing. Yes.
वेरी गुड। एंड अक्षय हैज बीन अ गुड स्टूडेंट, ही हैज बीन रेगुलर विद हिज क्लासेस, क्योंकि हम ये मानते हैं कि जो भी हम कोर्सेज कराते हैं ना, ये डिजिटल वाले, ये हम एज टीचर्स या एज प्रोवाइडर्स कैन ओनली गो अप टू अ पॉइंट। वी नीड द सपोर्ट ऑफ द पेरेंट्स और somebody in the family, because the classes are alternate days, there is limitation of timing, there are a lot of batches also. So अगर पेरेंट्स का या कोई भी शैडो टीचर है, कोई तो हो जो उसको कर सके, समझा सके और सपोर्ट कर सके, तो काम बहुत आसान हो जाता है हमारे लिए भी, क्योंकि एक्सक्लूसिवली अकेले करना थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है। बट ये जो है सपोर्ट जो मिलता है ना, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। सो थैंक यू फॉर प्रोवाइडिंग दैट सपोर्ट, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग विद अक्षय व्हाइल वी वर ऑन दिस जर्नी, जब वो सीख रहे थे। एंड आई एम श्योर ही विल डू वेरी वेल इन लाइफ, and congratulations that he's an intern and he's already making a difference in earning. So thank you to you,
Thank
and
you.
thank you Akshay for being part of our journey.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you Akshay, thank you. Okay, now can we talk to Rajita ji, because Rajita ji is here. Rajita ji is Ganika's mom, and what started we started with Ganika as a student, and Rajita ji, her mother supported her all the way, and today she's also a faculty with us, she's also teaching our students. So just imagine the power of learning, that Ganika को सिखाने गए थे लेकिन मम्मा ने भी सीख लिया, and she's able to teach some of our batches, and especially we have a batch from south side, and she's very good there, because there is always a language gap, so which is being filled by Rajita ji here. So Rajita ji, as a mother, as a mom first, how was your experience of being with Ganika and Ganika learning this digital media?
Yeah, it was really a game changer for Ganika, because earlier she will be she will be taking more time in her day-to-day daily activities. So through this opportunity, it has been reduced, and she is able to follow the time. She is able to getting the management of time, and she is getting ready to learn different tasks and attending the sessions, which has made her more interest and increased her skills and talents in exploring this digital media. And so even after the course completion, also she's taking interest in doing the part which she has learned from the course, like making greeting cards to her friends, and even she's exploring a lot in Canva. She likes Canva, the first
Yes, she does.
source. Then nowadays she's doing InShot also, where she's
Very good.
posting
Videos
so
and
videos also. So the latest
yeah,
she done Environment Day, which happened on June 5th. So
right.
she has done an InShot also. So she likes to explore. Actually, she likes to explore a lot in computers. As soon as her daily activities gets finished, she sits in her laptop for some time. She explores, she learns. And I'm leaving nowadays. Earlier I was with her, teaching her.
Yes,
I want to guide her. I want to teach her the things, how
but she's learning
to
on her own now.
apply.
She's got,
Now
yes,
I've left her. She is learning on her own. Any doubts, I will guide her.
very
So
good.
in that
Because
way, it was a very she's, I mean, improving, and she's growing on her own, and
very
she
good. So
wants to
what
be
we
independent always.
that is important because we have what we have need to teach our children is navigation. Once they
Yeah.
learn navigation, they can take sail and go places, right? So idea is to teach them navigation and that confidence that they can do it, and then sky is the limit. They can go all the way. So not an issue. Very good. And as teacher, how are you finding the students to teach? I mean, how do you like teaching? Since
Yeah,
uh,
I am learning the teaching also through this platform. This I mean, Approach Autism Society has given me an opportunity to take up the teaching also, and I am learning the modules along with the students also, and it feels me confident enough to reach out to neurodivergent children, and I like this sharing skills to other people also.
great, great. And you are, we always have that, because our students, special ones, especially, they may not be so good with the languages. They may not know all languages. So when you teach in Tamil, I think, right?
Yeah,
So
now I handling the
yes,
Tamil batch.
Tamil batch.
Wherever they are stuck up, I will
You can explain in Tamil.
explain
Yes.
in Tamil.
Yes, so that also helps, because there is always a language barrier. There'll be students, we have students who understand only Hindi or only English or Hindi English. So that part we can handle. But when we have students who are ready to learn, but there is language is a problem, that's where Rajita ji can come in and help us out with those batches, especially those students who are more, who can understand better in their local language, right? So that is again something that we have learned and we are exploring. So thank you, Rajita ji, for being here, and thank you for Ganika. Ganika is a very, I must say, she's a very enthusiastic student. Sometimes you have to tell Ganika, please relax, thoda dekho, ye karo, but she's super excited, and her energy is like infectious. We all get energized looking at her because she's so energetic and she's always, wanting to learn more, and that is what makes her different from others. Moving on to Alankrita. Alankrita, do you have your mom with you or somebody? Okay, let's have a quick word with Alankrita. Akshay, in the meanwhile, can you get mom or somebody with you? Akshay, with a E? Do you have somebody, Akshay, with you?
Akshay from Shillong.
Ma'am, she'll come in. So, ma'am, she'll come in 5 minutes.
Okay, let's talk to Akshay then in the meanwhile. Akshay with a E from Shillong. We have two Akshay Mathurs here. Akshay, can you hear us? Can you unmute yourself? Akshay?
Hello.
Akshay? Can you hear us?
Ah.
Okay. May I know who's with Akshay? अक्षय आपके साथ कौन है?
Yes, audible.
Yes, you are audible.
My mother's not here right now.
Okay, mom is not. Anybody else at home who can be
Oh
there?
no.
No. Okay, you are alone. Okay. So we ask you directly, how are you feeling after doing the course? Do you feel confident?
I'm rather comfortable with the program.
Okay, great.
Yes,
And
I'm confident.
very nice. And you are now an intern with Approach. You are interning with Approach. How is that? कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
Yes, it's been a enjoyable experience.
Very good.
Hmm.
So you are enjoying. You have enjoyed learning. You are now a certified, person,
Yes.
and now you are able to intern with Approach. You are able to. You are earning. So you are getting your share. And how is that? How does it feel to earn? कैसा लगता है?
I think I'm at the moment on yet, but
Okay.
I'm very excited.
Very good. So you're just starting over. Okay, great.
Hmm.
And how does the family feel? मम्मा को कैसा लगता है आप ये जो कोर्स कर रहे हैं कैसा लगता है? How does she feel?
She wants
Great.
me to quickly get some job experience, some formal experience.
Very good. And you are all set to go, right? You're all ready and with your learnings, you're ready and you are making a difference, right? So that's good.
Yes.
And very soon you'll be earning. Of course, you'll be earning, and your parents are there and they're supporting you so well.
Hmm.
So which is good. You're already making videos for Approach and promoting the products of Approach Autism, right? And which is brilliant. And in fact, all our students are going to be promoting these products very soon on different digital media platforms, and they are writing scripts, they are talking on the camera, looking, because these are children, they were very camera shy, so they have now most of the times when the classes were on, they would keep the camera switched off, but today look at them smiling into the camera and looking so confident, which is very good. So thanks, Akshay, and we are looking forward that आप अच्छा सा काम करें and you go places, right? So congratulations on completing the course and doing so well for yourself. Alankrita, Mama is here, I can see.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
We are good as well. Just a quick word on basically how is Alankrita doing after doing this course? You think? I mean, she is again an all-rounder. I know she's. Alankrita is an all-rounder and she's into badminton and swimming and gymming and whatnot. But how do you think she's doing after doing this digital employment course?
I think she's doing well.
Yeah. Can I see you? I don't see you right now. Yeah.
Now, can you see me?
Yes. Now better. Yeah.
Yeah, Alankrita, in case you can remove the background, then we can see both.
Yeah, background, if you can, just remove the background. Just let it be the normal background because वो blink हो रहा है actually. So, ma'am, कैसा लग रहा है अलंकृता को after doing this course?
अलंकृता को काफी कॉन्फिडेंट फील हो रहा है.
जी.
Is happy and she tells everybody that she is now employed and she's earning.
Yes.
That way, she has become more confident.
Absolutely, and she's a very outgoing girl, and she talks beautifully and works very well.
Yes.
And she's हमको भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And very soon she's like promoting the product. She's making calls, so which is very good. She's making follow-up calls to our prospective students. तो बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही है अलंकृता, and we are hoping that she continues on the same path and learns even more.
Yes,
है ना
ma'am.
अलंकृता?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So thank you, ma'am, for your time, because we wanted to connect with the parents on this live session so that people know that what we are doing here is actually making a difference, because there is
Yes.
a lot of talk of doing things and not delivering. Here we are making a difference, however little it may be. We are only starting. We are very new to the this barely we are in this field for maybe 7 months, Anuragji, 6-7 months that we started, and already our 7th batch is running. A couple of batches are already done, and our students are working. So we are looking forward to making this difference in so many lives. And like I said, I'll reiterate again that we need the support of all of you who are watching or who will be watching this session right now, because we need the support, all the support we can get in any which way, whether you talk to other people, talk about Approach Autism, tell them how we are doing it, what we are doing, how our students are progressing. It will be great.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
And that's what we are looking for, looking ahead. So thank you for being here. From my side, over to you, Anuragji. Thank you for having this session, and we'll have more such sessions, and we'll empower more students, right? Anuragji?
हाँ, जैसे आपने बताया कि ये काम हम अकेले नहीं कर सकते, इसमें मुझे सभी का वो चाहिए, प्रमोशन के लिए चाहिए। वन थिंग इज दैट कि ई कॉमर्स प्लेटफॉर्म का प्रमोशन, जिसमें आप अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को डाल सकते हैं, वोकेशनल यूनिट जो आपके आसपास है उसको डाल सकते हैं, और जिससे कि उसको प्रमोशन हो जाए। सेकंड, जो इंडिविजुअल आर्टिस्ट हैं वो अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को ई कॉमर्स प्लेटफॉर्म पर डाल सकते हैं। थर्ड है डिजिटल एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोग्राम। इफ यू फाइंड दैट दिस प्रोग्राम वाज गुड, just recommend it to your other students, other vocational units, so that it spreads like anything. So with this, I think we should end with our this video podcast, जिसको बहुत सिंपली ज्वाइन करना था हमने जूम से, और उसको जूम को हमने यूट्यूब पे लाइव कर दिया है। So that is how we shall keep on doing in future also, with some interval. But our digital employment webinar will happen on Saturdays and Sundays at 11 a.m. So you can also invite those whom you know the prospect for digital employment program and can be part of this program. So after the assessment, they can be part of this digital employment program. Thank you. Thank you for joining. I'm just keeping this program.
Welcome.
Ganika.
Welcome.
Welcome. Welcome. Okay, we'll see you. Bye bye. All the best to all our interns and all our future students who are going to be part of Approach.
Yes.
Thank you so much for being here. Bye bye.
Naturale.
Bye.
Naturale.
Bye.